In this video, I'll show you how to log out of ChatGPT, whether you just want to sign out on one device or log out of all devices for extra security. If you're using ChatGPT on the web, the usual starting point is your profile menu. OpenAI's Help Center shows that account and security options are found from your profile area inside ChatGPT settings. So if you want to sign out, open ChatGPT, click your profile icon, and look for the logout or sign out option in that account menu or settings area. help.openai.com. Now, if your main goal is to log out everywhere, OpenAI gives a more specific path. Their Help Center says you can go to Settings, then Security, and choose Log Out All. OpenAI notes that this immediately logs you out of your current session, and other active ChatGPT sessions may take up to 30 minutes to fully log out across devices. help.openai.com. This is especially useful if you signed in on a shared computer, forgot to log out on another phone, or just want to secure your account after suspicious activity. OpenAI's account security guidance also points users to settings greater than security, greater than log out of all devices when they want to disable active ChatGPT sessions. help.openai.com. There's also one important thing to know after logging out. OpenAI says that when you're signed out, your chat history is not saved to your account in that logged out session. Their ChatGPT homepage guide explains that while logged out, chats remain accessible only for the current browser session and are not saved the same way they are when you're signed in. help.openai.com. If you're logging out because of a security concern, don't stop there. OpenAI also recommends changing your password and reviewing your security settings, especially if you think someone else may have accessed your account. Logging out all sessions is a good first step, but changing your password adds another layer of protection. help.openai.com. And here's one more useful tip. OpenAI now supports account switching for some users, which means you may be able to stay signed in to 2 ChatGPT accounts at once instead of fully logging out each time you want to change accounts. help.openai.com. So to log out of ChatGPT, open your account menu and sign out, or go to Settings, Security, and choose Log Out All if you want to leave every device at once. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.